Hello boys and girls, this video is going to teach you how you can do some research through Discovery Education. So you're going to log into Clever just like you normally do, and then you're going to look for this big D that has the Earth right next to it. So you'll click on Discovery Ed. It's going to take you to Discovery Education. It's going to log you in. And then from there, right up here, this word says search. So you can type in anything you would like to search up. So let's say we want to search up elephants. Now you may need an adult to help you type in your animal name up here, okay? So you've got different things that come up about elephants. You can just scroll through. This will tell you how long the video is, or maybe if it's just a picture. If there's no numbers up here telling you minutes and seconds, then it's just a picture that you can look at. Remember, pictures can tell you lots of things too about your animal. So let's look at this one. This elephant is in the water, and lots of other elephants are in the water too. So can you infer that elephants like water? Yes. So there's lots of different pages too. So if you don't see what you want on your first page, go all the way down and you can go to your second page. Another great thing about Discovery Education is you can click on this first button, which is kindergarten through second grade. So if you don't choose one of these grade spans up here, then it's going to show you things that might be too much for you right now, what you might understand. But if you click on K through 2, it's going to pull up only things that would be good for your age and understanding. I hope this helps. Let me know if you need any help, guys. Have fun today.